Welcome to my channel again. Updated kayo sa mga video ko. Hit the notification bell, and if you want to be friends with me, subscribe now. And for today's video, guys, we gonna unbox this Dyson. I got this for Valentine's. Let me get so yeah, I gonna open this, guys, and show you. I get the old hot tools blower. This is a hair dryer, guys. My husband get it for me on Valentine's, and you know how much this, so just search it. I don't like to mention the price in here. So actually he get me a white one, but I said I don't like white one, I like a pink one. But yeah, so I exchanged it with pink and gray color. So I heard the Dyson one, it's really good. And Dyson, it's about like a vacuum. We have that too. We have the pull vacuum, and we have the hand vacuum. And you know, the Dyson also they use for if you go to the mall, in the bathroom somewhere over in the mall, yung patuyuan nila ng kamay, yun yung blower doon ng kamay. So Dyson din yun. It's really strong. That one's really good one too. And you know, Dyson, it's a good quality. It's gonna hurt. There you go. Just go slide down. It's take me like 10 million times to attempt to open this. And it's like that. Yeah, so like a good packaging too. And shake it, shake it up, and then it's come with that foam para protector. At least I think yung protector niya para just in case it fell in the ground, you know, hindi siya masyadong madamage. So I get this one, this one. That's like that. It's come with the small one, medium one, and yung para sa mga pang curly hair. So yeah. That's cute, really cute magenta color. I like that. And it's really light. And this is the filter. You can just twist it and take it off if you want to clean it. And then twist it close. It's really simple and it's very light. I have the comparing for this hot tools, really heavy. This one I got this for like 5 years ago. Oh, it's a Conair Infinity Pro Conair. I get this for I think $60 at Ulta. And then this one, it's, you know how much this, so yeah, it's really different. It's really big different the prices, so yeah. And then it's come with this one, the instruction. Yeah. Then I think this one is for regular. Then you have this one. Then for the curly hair, that one. Then I show you how how it works. So, ito yung cord niya. Medyo mahaba siya. So, guys. I don't know what's this. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Parang ano siya. Parang power bank. So, yan. Oh, ito. Nakita ko nga pala sa online. Magnetic siya. Ganyan lang daw siya. So, yan. Tapos pwede mo i-twist kahit anong yan, ganyan, pwede pa ganyan. Tapos ito yung if you want hot, and then this cool, the control button, this on and off button, and I'm not really sure what's this. So yeah, and then again the filter, you want to get, if you want to clean it once you get dirty. So I demonstrate it for you guys. So ayan, it's really nakakainis siya. So ayan siya. Madali lang siyang oops, natanggal yung ikaw ko. Ayan. Kabit natin para okay. Ayan. It's not really loud, guys. And it's very light compared to this one's really heavy. This one para kang mag-exercise. This one parang okay lang. Yun. Tapos I heard sa mga nakita kong video also, pinapabilis nila yung pag-dry ng hair mo. So, usually I take shower like 2 hours before kasi I have a really long hair like right in my butt. So, that's why I take shower in advance like 2 hours ahead. But at night, I always take shower every day, guys. And I shower my hair because if I don't shower my hair, I get like really oily and it's not look good. Yeah, so I don't like that. But sometimes I don't shower my hair if I dye my hair. So that's the thing that I don't shower my hair. That's the only thing that I don't shower my hair if I dye my hair. So yeah. So at least I don't shower my hair 2 times. 2 times. So at least the oil, because sabi nila pagka oily daw yung hair mo bago ka magkukulay, nakaka-help daw yun sa protection ng hair. Kasi pagka madadamage daw kasi yung buhok mo. So, yun. So, kaya yun. Natural oil. Pero I shower everyday, guys. Kasi hindi ako mapakali pagka hindi ko pinapaliguan ng buhok ko. So, yeah. So far naman, hindi naman siya na-damage. So, okay naman siya. Tapos, I cut my own hair. So, ayun na nga, guys. Ayan, magenta color. And then, this one. Mahirap siyang tanggalin. So, yung nozzle niya, ang hirap tanggalin. See? Parang, ang hirap. So, it's really good yung niya. Yung pagtanggal. It's really secure. Hindi yung ibang pagka nilagay mo rito na hulog, di ba? So, this one's really secure. Yeah. And then this one, I have a problem with this one. Yung filter niya rito natanggal. Because this one's, it's It's really cheap. Oh, it's not really cheap. It's really affordable. It's like $60 plus tax at Ulta. I get this like 5 years ago, so I don't know how much is it right now. So it's still good, but I put it on my this one I'm gonna put it on my daughter's room. Yeah. And I have another one that's Con Air also. It's color white, really small, but my dog using that now. Sounds really loud, guys. Then this one, I think I'm happy for this one for now. We'll see. After I take shower, I gonna update you guys. That's it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching for my unboxing video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment down below and give this a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed again, please do subscribe on my channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Have a good day. Bye.